I woke up and I was sad today. For those of you who know the temperaments, I'm a sanguine melancholic. So that just means my second temperament is a little bit of an Eyore, which is just a predisposition to kind of view things negatively, which is all human brains, by the way. All human brains are designed to look for danger and look for the negative things, but the melancholics kind of do it just a little bit more. So anyway, I woke up feeling kind of sad this morning. And now that I've learned so many things about myself and my brain, I just watch myself. I'm like, oh, hey, you woke up feeling a little gloomy today. It's a beautiful day, by the way. It's not even gloomy outside. It's like gorgeous here. And so I just watch myself and I'm like, yeah, you just feel kind of a heaviness over you. That's how it feels in my body. It feels like something heavy is over my body. There's a slowness. And I used to judge that. I used to say, what's wrong with you? You have such a great life. You're so blessed. Why are you sad? Maybe something's wrong and you need to go see someone or be on medication or something. And I certainly think that there are times for that. But this was just like a little bit of gloominess, a little bit of sadness. And so I watched myself and then I said, go talk to the Lord. Go talk to the Lord. And what I love to do is I love to light a candle. And these are beeswax candles, so they even smell really lovely. And then I just start journaling to the Lord. And I just journaled and I wrote down all these things. I kind of like poured out my brain. Things that I knew weren't true. But I was just saying, Lord, this is what I'm thinking right now. And then I just told him all these things. And it felt so good. And I felt the heaviness start to leave my body. And I felt the Lord tell me, I am the light. Because I said, Lord, I feel trapped in this darkness. I feel like the darkness is clawing at me. And I felt like he said, I am the light. Come to me. I will bring light to your darkness. And it took about 20 minutes, but that's exactly what happened. And I just looked around and everything looked different. The kids looked different. The house looked different. And then I was like, I'm going to sweep the entryway, which wasn't really one of my plans, but the boys have been playing in the sandbox. And so when they come and take off their shoes, then it's just a sandy mess over there. And I kind of like that. But I just say that because I went from someone feeling overwhelmed and sad and heavy to spending time with the Lord and thinking, you know what? I want to take care of my home. Nobody made me. I didn't feel bitter. And I went and swept that up and it gave me a little bit of dopamine and I felt good about myself. And I just want you to know that you can do this anytime you want with the Lord. He's always there for you. He always is ready to bring lightness to you and it's real. And you can turn your day around just like that. So if you want to learn how to be a Catholic mom who does that, come join us in Masters. That's what we teach you. Manage your brain, discern the will of God, and to come back to peace.